Welcome to East Tennessee Pinball. Janie, you enjoying the pinball? Enjoying the wine, mostly. Yeah.
I love pinball tournament nights.
I'm just going to walk through here. I'm playing Getaway, not the second, but I'm going to be, I'm up on player 3. See what all we got here. Haunted House, Surfer. Playing that lower playfield. Gotta hit the drop targets, dude.
Yeah. That's awesome, man.
The Cyclone. Getaway. Alex is probably tearing up his Adams family. He tears up everything. Not literally, figuratively, of course. So I'm going to talk to Jesse here. So Jesse, you're always bitching about my introductions on YouTube.
Yeah, you gotta fix it.
No. So I think it's so bad it's actually kind of good. You know, it's like you're an electron, like moving through there, and it's got the big square blue. I know you love the big square blue.
But it's so like in your face. It's like you're chatting, and then here's a blue box. With some, psychedelic colors and a song that plays for 2 seconds. I'm gonna tighten it up.
Tighten it up.
Yeah.
Well, you're much more reserved on camera than you are in real life, because
we have to put
your language is much more flamboyant otherwise.
We can't break the YouTube guidelines.
Okay.
We gotta stay within the rules.
Okay, staying in the rules. Okay. So y'all let me know what you think. Y'all hate it, love it, whatever. Somewhere in between. I'm open for change. Anyway, taking it all in here. So I just watched the first half of this video. I put it on the computer and watched it. I was laughing my butt off. Jesse always tells me exactly what he's thinking. I love that about Jesse. He's just honest to a fault. So I know the introduction's bad. I'm kind of attached to it also. Tell me if I need to get rid of it. I know Jesse can't stand it. He wants him to give me a new one. Maybe I should have him do it, have a vote or something. I don't know. I'm probably going to lose this thing. I've been putting it off, but he keeps hounding me. So if y'all want to comment, I will follow the majority. I will. So whatever y'all think, if you think anything, place it down below, and whatever y'all want me to do, I'll do it.